Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you make your own Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. At first, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after opening Discord, you will get to see this plus icon at the top left side. Just simply tap into that plus button and then you will get the option of create my own. Tap into create my own option and then you can choose either it's for me and my friend or for a club or community. Simply choose the suitable option and after that you can upload a photo and name the server. And after that tap to create server. And you can create a shareable link and share it to your friend. For now, I'm skipping this part, and after tapping to skip or sharing the server, your server will be created. This way you can very easily create your own server on Discord. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.